How you ever wondered how machine learning impacts your daily life? Hello everyone, and welcome to Fabio Fedele's channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of machine learning. If you've ever found yourself wondering what machine learning really is, you're in the right place. Let's simplify this complex topic together. I bet you didn't know how machine learning really works. At its core, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, machines learn from patterns in data, much like how we learn from our experiences. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, and over time, they learn to identify them without further instruction. That's similar to how machine learning operates. Now let's talk about the different types of machine learnings. Supervised learning. In this approach, we provide labeled data. For instance, if we want to teach a model to distinguish between cats and dogs, we give it numerous examples with labels. This method is widely used in applications like image recognition and spam detection. Unsupervised learning. Here we don't provide labels, just data. The machine identifies patterns or groupings within the data itself. This technique is often used in customer segmentation and anomaly detection. Reinforcement learning. This method is akin to training a pet. The machine learns through trial and error, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for poor ones. It's commonly applied in robotics and game playing. And finally, let's look at some real-life applications of machine learning that you may encounter daily. Streaming services. Platforms like Netflix utilize machine learning algorithms to recommend content based on your viewing habits. Voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant learn from your commands to improve their accuracy over time. Email filters. Spam filters in your email use machine learning to identify and block unwanted messages effectively. In summary, machine learning is a powerful tool that enables computers to learn from data and adapt over time. It's a transformative technology that's shaping various industries and enhancing our daily lives. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more professional insights into technology. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time.